In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Life 360 for family. First, make sure you have installed Life 360. This is crucial because Life 360 is the application that enables you to connect with your family members. If you don't have it installed, you won't be able to set up the service. On your smartphone, go to the App Store. If you are using an Apple device, that would be the App Store. If you are on Android, head to Google Play. Search for Life 360 in the search bar, and when the app appears, tap the download button. Once it is downloaded, you'll see the app icon on your home screen. This makes sure you have the latest version and features, ensuring a smooth setup process. Once you have the app installed, open the app. This action brings you to the main interface of Life 360. Here you will see options that guide you through the setup. It is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you are not tech-savvy, you should find it straightforward. As the app loads, you might notice some prompts or tips on how to navigate the features. This initial screen is where your connection with family starts. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you navigate through the setup easily. Next, tap Get Started if this is the first time you have installed Life 360. This step is essential because it allows the app to walk you through the setup process. You will usually need to create an account or log in if you have used the app before. During this step, you may be prompted to enter your phone number for verification. This step enhances security and ensures that your family's location data is kept private. Once you complete this, you will be ready to move forward, so don't worry if it takes a moment. This is a necessary part of getting started. After that, tap Create a Circle. A circle is a group of family members that you want to keep connected with. This is a vital feature of Life 360, as it helps you manage who can see your location and receive alerts. When you tap this button, you will be prompted to name your circle. This is optional, but naming it can help distinguish it from other groups you might create in the future. You might choose a name like Family Circle or My Loved Ones. This personalization makes it easier for you to identify the group quickly. With that done, tap Add a Person. This is the step where you begin to invite family members to join your circle. It's a simple yet significant action that expands your network within the app. You can add people by entering their phone numbers or selecting contacts from your address book. This step is important because it ensures that everyone you want to keep connected is included in your circle. After you have added a person, you will be able to share location updates and alerts easily. Next, share the invite code. This code is essential for family members to join your circle. Once you have added them, they will receive a notification or text message with this code. They will need this code to join your circle successfully. Sharing the invite code is straightforward. You can send it through text, email, or any messaging app you prefer. This step is crucial because it ensures that everyone you want in your circle can join without any issues. Finally, have family members install Life 360. This is the last step in getting your circle set up. Encourage them to download the app from their app store, just as you did. Once they have it installed, they can use the invite code you shared to join your circle. This collaborative effort strengthens your family's connection and ensures everyone can share their location and stay in touch. You are now ready to enjoy the benefits of Life 360. Thank you for watching and enjoy connecting with your family.